Yes, so I'm going to share my process on how I'm updating the content based on the keywords that we are getting in the Google Search Console. So I launched this website, crmnewstoday.com, very recently, not too long ago, about 1 month ago. And what I have been doing is that I have been fetching all the keywords from Google Search Console, and then I'm updating the content accordingly. So this is how it works. What I've done is that I have connected Windsor.ai with my Search Console, and I've connected it to Claude. Now, what I do is that I go to Claude and I ask exactly this. Check for latest keyword from the Search Console data and tell me which content should be updated and if new content can be created. Now, what it does is that it first fetches all the keywords from Search Console, and then I have a setup which tells exactly if that keyword is already optimized or is it new keyword that has appeared for the first time, and it filters all the data and it tells me which content we have to update and what are the content that we can create. So these are the content that Claude is suggesting me to update, and these are the content that it is asking me to create new pages for. Now, it also tells me exactly how to prioritize it. You have to be a little manual about this, so you cannot totally depend upon Claude's intelligence. You have to check it yourself. What it does the best is that it fetches the data and it filters it for you, and it tells you by doing its analysis, and then if you tell it to once you have decided which content is to be updated, it will create a page. And I have set up the WordPress REST API for it, so it just goes and creates the pages. But the main point is that, is it working? Is the process working? So let me show you the Google Search Console data for this. And as you can see that even though the clicks are down, because most of the clicks have become 0-click searches, and I'm now focusing on getting more impressions because this is going to get you more AI visibility. It is going to get you more citations because if you appear more for more keywords and your overall visibility is high, the chances of you getting citations is always higher. And so if you're appearing for more keywords, if your position is better, then you're definitely going to see a rise in impression in your Search Console. So this is what's happening here. And if you want to do your own analysis, you can just go to Semrush and enter crmnewstoday.com, which is the domain that we are working on right now. So go to Semrush, type crmnewstoday.com, and you can see all the keywords, and you can see how the traffic has started going up and how the keywords have started going up. And we are ranking, some of the keywords we are ranking in top position, some are in top 10, and some are obviously on second or third page, but it also depends upon the country. What we are seeing is that we have a consistent rise in number of impressions, and we have consistent rise in how our pages are gaining visibility. So what you have to do is that you have to go to Search Console, connect it to Windsor, which has a free tier that you can use, and use that free tier and connect it to Claude using a connector. That connector is available for free, so everything is free basically. You go to Claude, you connect it, and then you ask Claude to tell you exactly what the data from Search Console is telling you. And then you have to do some tweaks. You have to create a few sub-agents. You have to give them some new skill sets, and then it will start updating your content accordingly. So just start doing this. If you do this, engines are definitely going to love you, and they are going to love your content. They're going to tell you that, say, the rise in traffic is consistent, the keywords have improved, as you can see in the graph, and so this process is definitely working. The automation is working, and the content quality is improving. So if you guys have any other process that is working for you, please share. And if you have some other sub-agent ideas, some other prompt ideas, definitely share. Till then, we will just wait for Google I/O, because I've heard that they are going to talk about Google AI mode in this I/O, and they're going to share a lot of update on maybe ad placements within Google AI mode, etc. So till then.